Heating the second section. Cut the second section. Heating third section. Cutting the final section.
Wow, Grandma. Isn't that cool?
I don't have to remind you, that was a very nice lunch. There's all the shrimp and food you can eat and beer you can drink up at the picnic area. Thank you very much for coming.
Yeah, the other boys are going,
Daddy.